Hey beauties, welcome back to Lithu's nail art designs. So grab your favorite polish and let's get started. I am applying this dark red color as base coat and also using light shade for drawing the cute design. During the application of nail polish, don't take too much or too less nail polish. Place on top of your fingers and gently slide downwards. Clean from the back and side of the nail brush as shown in this video. Today I will be showing how to create simple and cute nail art for short nails. No fancy tools, just creativity. If you have ever thought short nails can't look stylish, think again. For short nails, any color will look great. Makes your fingers more elegant and long. Choose a base color that complements your design. Dark color work great for short nails. I will be doing a series for short nail art design. This is the first video. Subscribe to my channel to get to know about more such designs. Stay watching. Let's do a nail art with a safety pin. I have taken a light nude pink shade for drawing the design. If you are using nude shade as base coat, then use dark shade to draw the design. Apply tiny dots using safety pin as shown in this video. Ask in the comment section if you have any doubts. If you don't have any nail art tools, you can use a toothpick or a hairpin, easy and budget friendly. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more nail art tutorial every week. Let me know in the comments about this design. Easy nail art idea, perfect for simple nail, simple, stylish and totally doable at home. Follow for more upcoming videos. This style will be perfect for anyone who loves that classy radiant look for special occasions. Follow for more such nail art related videos and share among your friends. Apply tiny dots randomly across your finger. It will look great in any occasions. If you loved this look, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more nail art inspirations. Finally, seal everything with a glossy top coat to protect our design and add a beautiful shine. Don't forget to clean the edges with a small nail polish remover for that perfect salon-like finish. Short nails but big statement because style has no length. Short nails but make it fabulous. Repeat the same steps on other nails. This is our final look. Hope you liked this look. Say in the comment section. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and got inspired to try more designs. Meet you all with another nail art design. Till then, stay tuned.